Hello guys, just an update. This is Pearly Gardener, targeted individual, Australia. Mind control victim since birth, got sold out to the Australian Security Intelligence Organization and the rest of the 6 intelligence agencies of Australia for their training, research, and development. Anyway, guys, so I don't need to do any more update later. What went today? How my day went today. This morning, I was late to start my house cleaning with Teresa, my Polish client, technically client given by my handler, of course, and yeah, I think I started around 25 past 9 this morning, and I finished around 9:30, 12:30, 12:30. And after that, I went straight home and did some laundry. The rags that I use, I washed it. And no, but before that, before I went home, I went to Coles at the Woodcourt Village Plaza and bought my chicken. And it's so nice of my client Teresa to give me the bacon and pork ham or something and chocolates. But I'm so sorry, have my team rice and pork. It's not right now in my menu or my vocabulary, so no rice and pork in the meantime. So and she gave me a yummy chocolate, but the other red chocolate, it was, I think, a mix of wine and chocolate, so I didn't like that one. Yeah, thank Jankuye, Teresa, for my chocolate, but sorry, no pork for me. Okay, so now what I did, I left about 2:30. I left Dunside and I came here straight to my daughter's house here in 119 Mix Road in Marrickville. And as you can see, it's raining, guys. It's raining. And I did went inside, like knock on the window on the side, and also their back door is open, and I saw someone upstairs. I think it was a female or male, I don't know, but I saw someone upstairs. But I kept knocking and I was saying, Sharon, hello, this is mom. And yeah, no one came down, so I went at the back and the back door was open. But of course, I will not do the, what you call it. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow, look at that. Segway airplane. So what you call it, I didn't like walk upstairs to check her room and stuff like that and knock on her door, at her door. But yeah, because of course I don't want to, I might get entrapped that I am trespassing, you know. So I don't know who it was. The one upstairs, I saw someone up the stairs, like when I was knocking at the window, and no one came down. So dear handler, into my daughter's handler, into the surveillance team, I know that you can fake a message, okay? You can fake a message. And I've been calling her again to FaceTime to her mobile phone, and it goes straight to voicemail. And I tried the FaceTime, it was ringing, but she wasn't picking up. So I don't know, maybe she's one of her friends today. I don't know where did she went or something like that. But I don't know. I will see how long I will stay here to wait for her, because I need a proof of life of my daughter. Who knows, because the last time I saw her was that was the time when you abused her to turn against me with the blue killers who came to our place and the medical co Intel Pro. So that was the last time. I don't know when that was. 2 weeks ago or almost 2 weeks ago. It was on a Tuesday, I think, and she walked to the station. So Yeah, anyway, anything happened to my girls, to my daughter Justine in Canada, you are partly responsible to that Australian Security Intelligence Organization and to the intelligence agency there in Canada. And to my daughter here in Sydney, anything happens to my daughter Sharon, you are responsible to that Australian Security Intelligence Organization. So anyways, that's just an update, guys, of course, because I know that Sunday, my daughter is, her day off is Sunday, and usually I don't know her schedules, like what day she's at uni and what days. I know that Saturday, half day from Saturday morning till 1:30, she works at the Greek Dental Clinic here in Marrickville. But the rest of her schedules, the reason why she didn't give me last time her schedule was that she told me that what you call it, she told me that they always change, and she even told me that they always change the teacher, the instructor. Anyway, so that's just an update. I'm here right now in Marrickville. Of course, the surveillance team knew about that, and they can read my thoughts, my active memory, my... Ay, hello! Say hello to my vlog.
Sorry, who
Hello.